Hey there! Have you ever felt overwhelmed by your student loans or credit card bills? Today, we're tackling the $2 trillion question: how do I get rid of this debt? Let's dive into two popular debt repayment strategies: the debt snowball method, which focuses on small wins, and the debt avalanche approach, aiming for high interest rates. But wait, what if I told you both methods can work? The debt snowball method says to pay off your smallest debts first. This creates momentum and keeps you motivated with quick wins. But here's the catch: it doesn't always tackle high interest rates, which can cost you more in the long run. On the other hand, the debt avalanche method focuses on paying off debts with the highest interest rates first. This can save you thousands in interest over time, but it may take longer to see progress, which could be demotivating. Now here's where it gets wild. Sarah, a software engineer with $70,000 in student loans, tried both methods. She found that focusing on high interest rates first saved her over $10,000 in interest payments. But Sarah also noticed that small wins in the debt snowball method kept her motivated. Paying off smaller debts first can help you stick to your plan and build confidence. So which method should you choose? It really depends on your personal situation. If high interest rates are killing your wallet, go with debt avalanche. But if you need quick wins to stay motivated, try the snowball method. Now, let's talk numbers. The average borrower has around $58,000 in student loans. If you're facing this kind of debt, every dollar saved counts. But wait, what if I told you there's a way to combine both methods? You can pay the minimum on all debts and focus extra payments on either high interest or small balances. This hybrid approach might be your best bet. Remember, the key is consistency. Once you choose a method, stick to it like glue. Automate payments if possible to avoid late fees and keep your momentum going. Now let's look at real-world tools. Apps like Mint and Personal Capital can help you track your debts, set budgets, and automate payments. These apps are free and incredibly useful. But here's the thing: your mental health matters too. Debt can be stressful, so make sure to take breaks and celebrate small wins along the way. Now, let's talk about Sarah again. She found that by combining both methods and focusing on mental health, she was able to pay off her debt faster than expected. In the end, both methods can work. It's all about finding what sticks for you and sticking with it. So why not give both Snowball and Avalanche a try? Remember, debt repayment is a marathon, not a sprint. Keep your eyes on the prize and take it one step at a time.